You guys ready to go for a ride in the Tiffany and Company themed Mini Cooper? Because here we go. I'm looking forward to this. Come on. All right. I'm pretty excited about this, as I always am, to drive a Mini. This one's cool. Smells good in here. It is luxury. This is as good as they get, man. I like this car. Here we go. This is gonna be fun. So not only does this car sound good and look good, but is it fun to drive? Well, let's find out. Yeah, this is a beauty. I really do like these Mark 7 Sport Pack MPIs. They're good. So I have my cameraman Keith in the passenger seat. We were going on location to do some shots. And as we're riding along, people on the side of the road and in other cars are just looking at us like we're some sort of alien spacecraft. I kid you not. It's crazy. And he says, "Oh yeah, I forgot. We're in kind of a unique, strange little car that people really look at, don't they?" And I guess I'm desensitized to it. I'm like, "Oh yeah, I guess that is strange for, people that aren't used to driving classic Minis, right?" I'm so used to it that people stare at me. I don't know if I'm funny looking or I smell bad. Probably both. But anyway, he was kind of like, "Wow, I had no idea that people really paid that much attention." And I said, "Yeah, it's pretty crazy in any Mini, but this Mini with the Tiffany and Company stuff all over it, the beautiful color, the white satin bow, I mean, everybody looks. It's crazy. I mean, I had women, they were lining up and they were just so excited to see this little blue box go down the road. They thought, "What is that thing?" I mean, it really is a darling little car. And now, with the John Cooper Works kit in it, it goes too. Wow. The Works kit does increase the horsepower to a roughly 90 horsepower, and that's dyno confirmed. We've done it several times. The Sport Pack fuel injected MPIs. MPI stands for multi-point injection. SPI stands for single point injection. Stock, they make about 55 horsepower. With the John Cooper Works conversion kit on it, it is truly 90 horse, and what a difference. I do love them. This is perfect. Here's another really cool feature in this car. It's got cup holders. Something else really cool about the Mark 7 Sport Pack MPI is the final drive. With the 13-inch wheels, now this one has 7x13 deep dish 3-piece style. They're not really 3-piece wheels. They call it the 3-piece style wheel. They're still attractive. I really think they're beautiful. With the 13-inch wheel and the 2.76 final drive, these things on the freeway are an absolute joy. You could be tacking 3,000 RPM at 75 miles an hour all day long. It is a real freeway cruiser. These things are a pleasure. So keep that in mind whenever you get a chance to drive one of these. There we go. that was your drive and ride along in a Tiffany and Company theme inspired classic Mini Cooper. I hope you enjoyed that as much as I enjoyed driving it, so we'll see you on the next one.